So this is Lumo, and I'm Charles, and I'm going to present you my current state of my master's degree project at KTH, which is an attempt of trying to show how technology works for people that don't have a clue about it. So it's about Lumoino, which is basically the talking light. Lumo can talk quite a lot if you wanted to. And it's a toolkit, actually. Lumoino is a toolkit for prototyping, for people, for visible light communication, and for people that are makers and interaction designers like me. And you might think, so what are you talking about? And I think some of you heard about the topic Li-Fi, communication through light, like Wi-Fi, but through light. And actually, in my case, it's just infrared, but you see it. And the project is in the very early stage, and I need to speed up. It's a toolkit that you get a feeling for how visible light communication works. And with simple examples and experiments, you can try out and figure it out with Arduino and stuff, how it could work. And also, on top of that, you build basically your own prototypes. Again, it's based on Arduino. It's based on little bits as well. And my goal was to follow the Maker's Manifest, which is cheap components, simple components, and everything open source. And simple code examples, very important because you don't want to mess yourself up in code. And soon to be completed, hopefully, on GitHub. And here are a few examples, which is, I can explain it all later if you have time. I have a few examples here, but it's like a toolkit where you basically try out what are the material aspects of visible light communication. So what means speed or distance and optics. This is a nice picture of how the light actually talks to the sensor, which if you want to say, you can like literally translate it. It's like digital communication, but you can see it, and also you can hear it. And a little example how it works. This is based on little bits. So these two bits, the one with this one here, and the top one, they're sending data to each other. And if I break the circle, it stops. There's not like much magic to it, but the magic is that you see actually light, and light that is communicating with the other device. Yeah, that is actually what I wanted to tell you. Please have a look at GitHub, and if you have questions, I'm here.